Hey besties, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you 5 secret websites that will pay you about $150 to $80 for you to do simple tax online. Now, if you're interested in content like this and if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Christina and I think it's time that you subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that more content like this can reach you faster. Let's get right into this video. So I've seen a lot of videos on people trying to make money online. I've done videos that I found out that some websites are kind of flop, and I don't want you to experience the same thing. So if you have a flair for typing and if you have a flair for transcription and things like that, I have these websites that I'm going to share with you that you need to start exploring today for you to make money online. Now, the first website I'll be sharing is transcribeme.com. So what is transcription? Transcription is just you translating what you hear or what you see in a video into a written form. So when you're listening to an audio, you have to now translate what is being said into that audio into a written form. That is the basic meaning of transcription, and you can see that it is quite simple and it's something that you can easily do from the comfort of your home. So this website will pay you about $2,000 by the end of the month, depending on how hardworking you are. But bear in mind that they would test you to know if you're qualified for the job. Most of the apps I'm going to mention will test you to know if you're good for the job before they go on with you. The second website I'll be sharing is Quibi.com. So this website offers about $5 to $60 depending on how you work and how hardworking you are, and they can give you a bonus when you continuously perform beyond your imagination. Now, something you need to know is that if you're on this app for more than 3 hours, they will pay you $5 bonus for staying on the app for long and performing tasks. So if it's something that you need to try. The third website I'll be sharing is bubbletype.com. Now, something with bubbletype.com is that you can work 4 times in a week, but the money is not much because it requires human touch to everything. So it's not just something that you can use AI for. It can detect when you're using AI and when you're not. So the money is not as much as the others because this is 40 cents per minute. So you are now going to times to know how much you're going to get. If you're staying for 3 hours, then you can times per minute is 40 cents. Then you can do the calculation and know how much you will earn at the end of the day. The fourth website I'll be mentioning is speakwrite.com. So this is basically legal transcription. It requires more skill and the fee is not stipulated because it is very, very professional and they're not going to accept any form of AI and things like that. And you have to be very, very fast at what you do because they want someone that has a speed of about 65 words per minute. So if you know you can be fast and you can get the work done and you have some legal knowledge, I think this is the best option for you. The fifth one is rev.com. Rev.com is very, very popular because a lot of people come to know about it. But if you're just finding out about it, then that is the purpose of this video, to enlighten you. Now, rev.com doesn't only deal with transcription. On rev.com you can do captioning and subtitles. That means subtitles. If this video is in Chinese, you have to translate it to English with the subtitles so that people can understand what is being said in the movie. So that is number one job that this does. So you can, if you have knowledge of different languages, I think this is perfect for you because you can easily do the subtitle and things like that. The next one that you can do on this rev.com is caption. So while I'm shooting this video, I can insert words for people who cannot properly hear me or people who my accent, they might not really understand what I'm saying. So subtitles are very important in videos. So you can do subtitles. There are AI that do all of this already, like CapCut. CapCut can easily subtitle videos for you and just add words at the exact time that it's being said. So if you can use AI to accomplish this, I would say you should go for it and try it out. Now we've come to the end of this video. If you found this helpful, I think it's time that you compensated me by subscribing to my channel and turning on the notification so that anytime I drop value like this, you'll be one of the first early birds to know. So guys, thanks for watching and until next time.